guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. Today we're going to be doing my Mail Haul Monday series where we will be unboxing packages from the previous week. Oh my gosh, I took some sneak peeks of some stuff and this is going to be a really good one. I'm so excited about it. So anyways, really quick before we do get started, if you are new to my channel, then welcome to my channel. Make sure before you leave, you do not forget to subscribe down below. That way you're notified for future videos from me. I do post 3 times a week. So Wednesdays, Fridays, and then mail hauls every single Monday. And also make sure you click that bell notification. That way you're notified as soon as the videos go live. But I'm excited to dive into this stuff. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing I want to show you guys obviously is what's in my thumbnail. So this came from Drunk Elephant, and anytime that I get packages in the mail, I will have Snow text me and like show me a picture of the box. And then honestly, sometimes I just get too excited. I'm like, unbox it. Like I don't even unbox some of these packages. I have him unbox it and then he like sends me a screenshot of like the products and stuff in it. And he sent me a picture and it had a Drunk Elephant label and I'm like, what is that? Can you please unbox that? Please, I cannot wait anymore. And then like he sent me a picture and I couldn't really see what was in it. I'm like, could you send me like another picture? Like, are those products in that bag? So anyways, they sent over a freaking beach bag that has Drunk Elephant on it, which is so cute because actually when this video goes up, I'll be in Costa Rica and this beautiful bag is going with me. So yeah, they sent that and then they sent a couple goodies in it. And also with this beach bag, I don't know if you guys can see, but it literally has an elephant on it, which I think is so cute. I love elephants. I mean, I love Drunk Elephant, but I also love elephants. Actually at my work, like when me and Snow go on vacations, I collect elephants with their trunks up. So all the trips that we've taken, I have like an elephant like on display in my office. So I love that. And they also sent over this beautiful towel. I showed you guys all this stuff on Snap and Insta stories, but I want to show it to you again because I'm so excited. But yeah, this is like a big circular round beach towel and I just love it. It's so soft. And then let me show you guys what they're coming out with. So they also sent over this bag and I was so excited to film this video because I'm packing this week and this is actually what I'm going to take all my Drunk Elephant products in when we go out of town because this bag is like perfect. I'm not sure if they sell this bag, but I'm really excited about it. Okay, so they're coming out with a new product and they sent over 2 products that I could actually mix that product with. So the first one is the Sheer Physical Daily Defense, and this is their sunscreen. It's a 30 SPF and it is very sheer. It's not like too cakey or thick, so you can wear this underneath your makeup. And then they also sent over their luxury face oil with that package. I do love this. I use it every night, which you guys know because I talk about Drunk Elephant all the time. But anyways, here is the new product they're coming out with. This is called the Bronzy and it is an anti-pollution sunshine serum. And you guys, this looks so awesome. So I'm going to read you the card they sent over that talks a little bit about it. Okay, so this is, I believe, from the actual creator of Drunk Elephant. It says, I'm inside most days. I don't wear foundation, but I really wanted a little something that I could mix into my other products to give my skin some color. The problem was I didn't want to risk a breakout and I couldn't find that one fit to my suspicious 6 free criteria. So after a few attempts, we landed on a silky, natural looking bronzing concentrate. And yeah, it's made of vitamins, antioxidants, platinum peptides, and barrier supportive fatty acids that defend the skin from environmental free radicals. It's a gorgeous sheer bronzer that's formulated with a skin health top of mind, like sunshine in a bottle without the damage. So yeah, I'm excited. And basically it does say that you should add a drop into any of your serums, moisturizers, sunscreens, and it can be used on your face and body and supposed to give you a realistic looking gorgeous bronze glow. So yeah, here is what the packaging looks like. And I love the actual packaging because this actually has like a bronzy like shiny tint to it. So here's what it looks like. Give y'all a close up. Okay, so anyways, it is a pump top. So let's just pump a little bit on the skin. And you guys, I'm super duper tan right now, but this is such a gorgeous shade. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love it. Like here it is rubbed into the skin. Oh, it's gonna look so gorgeous. I personally think I'm gonna be using it mixed in with my sunscreen, especially while I'm on vacation. Look how beautiful and like this is gorgeous. And I showed you guys on Snapchat and Instagram like mixing it in with sunscreen, but I feel like this does it way more justice. It is beautiful. Yes, Drunk Elephant. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much to Drunk Elephant for that package. I'm so excited about everything. I cannot wait to use the little travel pack and the beach towel and the beach bag and the de-bronzy and everything else. So thank y'all so much. Okay, the next package that we have actually came from NARS, and I actually got this the other week and I forgot to show it because I was so excited about it. I like put it in a different part of the house and forgot to show it to you guys, like I said. But they sent over their new Orgasm collection and I'm so excited. So they have 3 different items. They have the Orgasm Illuminating Loose Powder, they have an Afterglow lip balm, and they also have the limited edition Orgasm blush. I think it's because it's in like a bigger case, but anyways, look how beautiful this like little card is that they gave me. So here's what it looks like. And then I actually am wearing a little bit of Orgasm today on the cheeks. I love how it says what makes you blush on the actual blush package. And here's what it looks like. So thankful that NARS sent this to me. I love NARS. You guys know I've been obsessing over their blush palette that I have recently and their foundation I absolutely love. So here is a swatch of Orgasm. I feel like this is like a staple. Like everybody should have this blush in their collection because it's so beautiful. It's pink, but it has like hints of like gold and like coral hues to it. Oh, it's so, so pretty. And then we have the Orgasm Loose Powder. And it has like the little, ooh, a little sifter on it. I got a little bit too much here. Let's see what that looks like. Gosh, I love the Orgasm blush. I have not used it in so long. And right now I'm like, Danielle, what were you doing? Oh my gosh. Look at the Orgasm Loose Powder. Oh, it's not like as pink as the Orgasm blush as you can see, but it's so pretty. This would be an absolutely gorgeous highlight. The retail on those, the big Orgasm blush is $39. The loose powder is $28. And then they also have the Orgasm lip balm. Let's try it on. Okay, wipe my lips completely off. And it's in a beautiful packaging. It's like reflective and pink. And here's what the lip balm looks like. Smells pretty good. And let's swatch this on the hand. It's kind of just like Your Lips But Better type color, but it is very pretty. And I'm so excited to wear all these. So thank you so much to NARS. This was such a great surprise. I didn't know what it was, and so I was curious because I'm like, who is this package from? And I opened it and literally like started screaming and running around the house and like celebrating because I absolutely love NARS. So thank you so much. Okay, what do we have next? Okay, the next package is from Ofra, and I do not know what this is. I have not opened it yet. Let's see what they sent over. Ooh. Okay, so the first thing that they sent over is this palette, and this is Ofra Pro Palette. There's what it looks like. Ooh, yes. Oh my gosh, this is very exciting. So here's what the actual palette looks like, and this is absolutely gorgeous. I have saw a couple people swatch this in the past and it looked really pretty, so let's do some swatches of it. Okay, so again, here's what it looks like. So gorgeous. Okay, the first thing I'm excited about, yes, is that bronzer. Let's see what that looks like on the hand. Really pretty bronzer shade. And then I feel like, I'm not sure if this is like the Rodeo Drive little mini highlight, but let's swatch these blushes. And I think this is like a banana powder for underneath your eyes. Gosh, their highlights are literally so creamy. So here's what these 4 look like. Oh, so gorgeous. There they are swatched on the hand. I can never get over highlights. It's like a moment you have to brace yourself for because they're always like so crazy pigmented. And let's swatch some of these eyeshadow shades. Ooh, these look really nice. So here they are, so pretty and just like colorful. Look how pretty those shades are. I really, really like that cobalt blue shade. That is so gorgeous. And then let's swatch the last 2 shades. You have like a gold shade. Wow. And then you also have like this burnt orange shade. These are so pretty and such like summer shades. There you go. Super duper pretty. I always love Ofra palettes. I have their blush palette, which I absolutely love, and then their highlight palette. So thank you so much, Ofra, for sending that over. I'm going to put this to the side for us to actually test out on the eyes. And then what else did they send over? So we have a Ofra Peptide Brightening Mask. And then we have the liquid eyeshadow. Ooh, these are definitely new. So this is the Bossy Eyes, and this is an eye pigment. Oh, yes. Okay, so this is liquid eyeshadow, and this one is in the shade Penthouse. So such a pretty color. And there's 2 other shades. I'm going to try to save those because I want to show you those in a video. But we have one that's like gold and then one that's more pink. But look at how like crazy pigmented that is. So thank you so much to Ofra Cosmetics for that package. Okay, so the next thing I want to show you guys is actually something I've been meaning to show you, but like I said, I've been pre-filming a lot of videos. And this is from the brand Eczema Honey Co. And you can find them. They have like an Instagram and stuff. I'll leave it down below. But anyways, they came out with this miracle healing, bacteria fighting, honest moisture, itch cooling eczema honey cream. And if you go to their website, there's like some crazy transformations of people's skin. I actually used to have pretty bad eczema on my legs, and I just remember how awful it was. Like, I always wanted to have something that would make my legs not itch. And so this, okay, wow. So first off, like, it looks like it's like a hard, tight cream, but when you start rubbing it in, it literally is like a melting butter. Oh my gosh. So let's look at it on my hand. It actually smells really good. So here's kind of what it looks like. Oh my gosh, this feels amazing. So if you have eczema, or really probably any kind of skin issues, or you just want something really hydrating, look how freaking moisturizing that is. And that was just from the smallest little bit on my finger. I've been really into lotions these days, you guys. Like, normally I hate lotions, but here lately I've been using a lot of lotions because I've been out in the sun and I'm trying to like keep my skin moisturized. This looks absolutely amazing. It says goes on light, sinks deep, and delivers supreme concentrated moisture to your skin. Yes. This looks really, really awesome. So yeah, I'll leave a link down below for you guys. And I think they actually sent a discount code. So I'll try to leave that link down below. And it also came with this little card, which I thought was neat because it says other ways to use. And it says use to take off makeup with a cotton powder ball. Apply to skin after shaving to reduce the risk of shave burn, and also apply to sunburned skin. Ooh, this is exciting. So I'm excited. You also can use it as a mask. It says apply a thicker layered mask with fingers and let sit for 10 minutes. Wash with clean and warm towelette for moisturized and smooth finish. Ooh, and it says it works good for scalp and face. This is exciting. I'm definitely going to be trying this out and letting you guys know how it works. But I mean, a first impression, I mean, you know how you go out and you're like, oh my gosh, I want my skin to look like really like shiny and hydrated. Bam, in a bottle, found it. So again, that is the Eczema Honey Company right there. And thank y'all so much for that package. Okay, next is a package from Stilazzi, and they, ooh. Okay, it looks like they sent over a ton of different brushes. This says their Artisan Luxe collection. And you guys, this is a ton of brushes. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to try these out. They look like they're going to be really soft. Grab somebody sexy, tell them hey. Ooh, okay, so these look like they're going to be very soft. Here's one brush. Oh my goodness, this is called a Buff. Oh, I love it already. It's very soft. What else do we have in here? We got some face brushes, small powder. Let's look at that one. These look really, really nice, and I don't think they're crazy expensive either. Let's open these. Ooh, okay, here's this one. This is a duo fiber brush. I'm gonna have to start using these in a video and let you guys know how they feel. They feel really good on the face. I just want to keep on grabbing some more. Okay, let's grab this one. This one is a Kabuki face brush. Very nice. Okay, so I'm gonna keep going through these. Expect to see them in a video, but I mean, again, they look like they would be really nice brushes. Ooh, this one looks perfect for like cream eyeshadow. So very excited about that. And some of the brushes, they retail for like $7, $8, $9. I think some of the more expensive ones retail for like $15, but they do feel like pretty good quality brushes. Again, I'll have to test them out, but they feel really nice so far. And thank y'all so much for that package. Okay, next package came from Too Faced, and they sent over a couple of their Natural Collection lipsticks. So I want to show them to you guys. I haven't actually tried these yet, but they look really nice. So here's what the packaging looks like. This one is a shade Pout About It. Oh yes, very creamy. Let's put this on. Just have a little bit of lip balm on. Oh yeah, perfect. Perfect. This is my kind of shade right here. Yes, Too Faced. That is beautiful. So again, that is the Pout About It. Then we have Strip Search. This looks like a more pinky nude. Here's what it looks like in the packaging. And then yes, here we are on the hand. So pretty, lighter shade. First shade's still my favorite. I'm really liking this. And the packaging on this feels really nice too. And then last one we have is Overexposed. And this looks like it's more of like a purpley shade. Yes. Give me that purple. So there is that. And again, that came from Too Faced. So thank y'all so much. Again, and then the very, very last package came from Pop. Let's open this up. Ooh, it says ice is nice. And here's what it looks like. Let's see what they sent over. It looks like they sent over some like confetti. Ooh, what is this? Oh my gosh, these look like little ice cream cups. That makes me really want ice cream right now. So the first thing we have, it says eye sorbet. And this is a lemon lime eye sorbet. What is this? Let's do some inspecting. Here's what it looks like. It looks like it could be like an eyeliner or something, but let's put a brush. Ooh, it feels like it would be very creamy because when I stuck the brush in, oh my gosh, this is crazy looking. Look at that. It's like an eye primer. Oh, here we go. It has instructions, Danielle. It says, eye shimmer sorbets are spreadable shadow that looks cool, feels smooth, and stays put. These buildable eyeshadows can be applied in layers from a sheer sparkle to intense metallic magic. Yes. So this one is like a really cool, like, green shade. That is so freaking cute. Okay, and then the other one is, I'm guessing, like a pink shade. So this one is called Pink Grapefruit. Yes. Okay, so this, I mean, this looks like a really pretty purple. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Do you see that? Oh my gosh. I cannot wait to wear these on the face. That is gorgeous. Thank y'all so much. This is beautiful. And then they sent one more thing over. Yes, yes. And these also are on Ulta.com. So this is the Fairdescent Crystal Liquid Lipstick. Come on, focus. Focus, focus, focus. Okay, it's not focusing. Look at that craziness. I don't even know if you can see it when it first goes on, but it does look really crazy. Let's apply a pretty good amount on the hand. I feel like justice is not being served right now on this. Yeah, so in person it has like a shift of like purple and orange. You just cannot see it, but it's definitely holographic. And on the lips, it's very like tingly, like cooling feeling type feel, if that makes sense. So there's that. And yeah, that is going to complete this week's Mail Haul Monday. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you so, so much for watching. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!